And just like that, your Australian driver's license is now available inside your Apple Wallet, making it easy to access whenever you need it. While Apple Wallet doesn't currently support adding driver's licenses directly in Australia, this simple workaround helps you store a digital version safely. To do this, you'll need a third-party app. Open the App Store on your iPhone and search for StoCard. Download and install the app, then open it once the installation is complete. On the home screen, you'll see a list of commonly used cards. Tap the Add button in the top right corner and select Other Card. Now you can scan your driver's license using the front camera or enter the license details manually. After adding the information, tap Save. Once saved, the card will be created and added to your Apple Wallet for quick access. If you are confused because Apple Wallet only allows payment cards or transit cards by default, this method gives you a simple alternative. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Here we share easy and practical iPhone tips. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe for more quick guides.